Welcome back to Inqua News. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has announced that the FDA raids will intensify across Goa to ensure food safety and hygiene. Stating that the FDA officers have been given full liberty to act, Rane praised their ongoing efforts and clarified that their intention is not to harass anyone but to ensure strict adherence to safety guidelines. Our main focus is the safety of Goa's citizens, he affirmed.
सगळे बाकीचे आमदार त्यांचे मॉनिटरिंग चाललं आणि डॉक्टर्स बरे काम करतात. हेल्थ सर्व्हिसेस आवर हेल्थ सर्व्हिसेस located comparatively as far as parameters are concerned. That's why I stress on discipline and other things. So we were discussing with Honorable Chief Minister also, and we'll have a review meeting on exactly how to move forward. Like I've said that we want to have that panel which we want to, I will tweet on it now, so where Chief Minister, myself, and members of different names, so that we can further improve our efficiency of the health system is very important for us to do it. म्हणजे गोंयच्या लोकांक बरी सेवा गावची. इवन चिकालीमान जे मोविंग टू दिवन सजेस्ट केल्या ते आनी एनहेन्स करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. आमी बसून आयज बी डिसिजन जे घेतल्या that HLL will become our nodal body and it will be a nodal with Honorable Chief Minister will brief subsequently, and that will help us create a hub and spoke model. HLL is the Government of India undertaking, and then we'll have more leeway to see that we have more diagnostics and several other things in other PHCs, CHCs where there's a gap. That gap analysis आमचे ऑलरेडी रिपोर्ट आमच्याकडे आहा ते आम्ही फिलअप करू शकता. वेगळ्या तरेन गोंयची जनतेक सेवा बरें दिवपाचें आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. एंड डिसिप्लीन स्ट्रिक्ट हें आसतलेंच आनी मुख्यमंत्री कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन प्रत्येक गोष्ट वेगळ्या तरेन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसा.
सर FDA रेट सुद्धा वाडपाक आसा.
FDA रेट वाडत वयतली. हांवें श्वेता देसाय पूर्णपणे लिबर्टी दिल्या. रिचर्ड नरोना आनी दुसरी एक आमचे ऑफिसर सावथाक आहा बरें काम करता. एंड कितें आहा तुमीच पळयता की कॅन्सराचें दुयेंस वाडल्या. आर्टिफिशियल कलर्स आनी हे सगळे जेवणान ते मिक्स करता. प्लस रेस्टॉरंटाचेर बी नियंत्रण. आमकां कोणाक हॅरेस करपाचें ना, but we want people to follow the guidelines and see that safety measures and measures which are hygienic things also are maintained. I have given them, I don't even phone them. So many people phone me. I don't get into that at all. But FDA rates are going to increase so that we look at the safety aspect of the citizens of the state of Goa.
So formalin test चालू असतले आणि
सगळे चालू आहे. सगळे जे चालू असून जाय सगळे चालू आहे. जे सेफ्टी मेजर्स are all are in place and she is doing a good job.